fiat. Um, if that's what occurs, it's back to what we were discussing earlier. It's got to cover kind of all the money, and I think you're looking at a range that XRP would settle on agreement. So this would happen instantaneously, somewhere between $10,000 and $35,000 a coin. And our lives will be, maybe the same, maybe different. I don't know. Probably a little different.
As you guys heard, XRP at $35,000 a coin. We've had many glitches at 55,000. $23 million a token for XRP. Ripple unlocks another 500 million XRP tokens in less than 24 hours after unlocking 1 billion XRPs. Family, as you guys know, Jed McCaleb is going to be at zero once he sells his XRP. And that is great because why? It will bring the prices down. But once he has sold all of his XRP, the price of XRP will become more stronger than it was before. You see, family, in the last 4 years, XR Ripple, Brad Garland House, has been paying out Jed McCaleb in XRP. And Jed McCaleb has been selling his XRP, the payments that he has been receiving. Once his last sale goes, and with this whole inflation, everything that's going on, once we bottom out, you guys are expecting to see a $25 XRP. Now, again, as you guys see, well alert, Ripple unlocked the new XRP tokens in two separate transactions, as you guys see right there. Family, like this is major news. And most of you guys saying like Crypto Brown, why are you saying it's major news? Is because this. It is important to note that the transaction came moments after Well Alert announced that Ripple had already unlocked 1 billion units of XRP, which was valued at over 300 million in the early hours of Friday. Ripple holds a larger amount of XRP, and the company has been gradually releasing 1 billion units of XRP stash into the market on a monthly basis. So once everybody starts seeing it, more whales are going to accumulate more XRP. This is the right time to accumulate more XRP because why I said XRP is going to 15 cents, it will go down a lot more lower. This is when the institution starts to break out and buy more XRP. Now, as you guys see this tweet right here, 80,000 Bitcoin millionaires wiped out in the great crypto crash of 2022. The crypto crash has seen the number of Bitcoin millionaires decline by more than 75% since November last year. Again, I want you guys to understand that was 80,000 Bitcoin millionaires. It's not that much, it sounds a lot, but we are going to be multi-billionaires in the next few years because everybody else don't believe in digital assets. They don't want to invest into it. They said their money is scarce. They don't have no time to risk their income. The way it is you have to make multiple streams of income to invest into digital assets. I'm gonna tell you like this: people who did not invest into digital assets from prior on from 2017 and now and for next year, listen, they are going to come out with a universal income. And what I mean by that is universal income is something like the stimulus checks. They were trying to sway you to train your mind on how would you guys love the stimulus checks. I don't want the stimulus checks. I definitely do not want the universal income check. You see, they're not going to send it to you in the checks because everybody had their checks lost in the mail and they don't know what was going on. So, what I told you guys in the beginning of 2021, I told you guys, hey, the banks they already have your own digital wallet. I'm not talking about a digital wallet that you have your cryptocurrency on. At the banks, they have your own digital wallet. They're just not disclosing it to you guys now. But once the CBDCs are corrected, they're going to say, hey, we're going to send you out a universal income payment each month because of the inflation. You don't have to worry about us sending it to you in checks. We are going to send it to you in digital currency form. So it's going to be directly to your Digi wallet at the banks, and you're going to receive it instantly, family. So I don't want to receive that because why? I mean, think about it. You'll have to pay that back. And the people who have already invested into digital assets, this is where I'm trying to show you, you would already be 10 steps ahead. Your portfolio will be a lot more larger than others. They're going to be like, well, people who are just now receiving digital currency in the CBDC form for the universal income, they're going to be like, well, hey, this value does not increase because it's going to be a stable coin. So they're going to be like, well, I need to start investing in cryptocurrencies. At the time that they're going to try to invest in cryptocurrencies, it's already too late. All right, fam. So now, as you guys see here, all right, Coinbase is reportedly selling geolocation data to ICE. You see, ICE is, with the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. You think they're just trying to figure out the immigrants and everything else? No, they're not worried about that. They're worried about the geolocation of every one of you who holds digital assets. In the beginning of 2020, when you guys had to fill out your income tax forms, it says, did you invest into cryptocurrency? Yes or no? Most people are clicking no. So now the government had gotten more smart. They said, okay, well, I know there's a lot of people investing in cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and go to Coinbase. And a lot of people don't really realize it, but Coinbase is a major exchange that most new users use. So they're able to see who has digital assets on those exchanges. Because as you guys know, when you sign up with the exchange, you got to take a picture of yourself and your ID and so on. So they already have that. So Coinbase already sold geolocation to data to the Homeland Security, which they want to know your assets. That's why I tell you guys always, please put your digital assets on a hardware wallet. Okay? Do not just, and most people say, well, why even do that? Why even put our digital assets on a hard wallet when it's on an exchange? It's federal issued, like if we lose this, we're supposed to get this back. No, you will be robbed in plain sight. The government does not care. They put taxes upon everything and they want your money. They want your crypto. They're going to stash your crypto and use it for other deeds. Okay? Digital finance agreement reached on European crypto assets regulation. Now in Europe, the digital pound, they already came to an agreement on crypto asset regulation. So this is where all this is coming forth. The Council Presidency and the European Parliament reach a provisional agreement on the markets and the crypto assets proposal, which covers issuers of unbacked crypto assets and so-called stable coins, as well as the trading venues and the wallets where the crypto assets are held. This regulatory framework will protect investors and preserve financial stability while allowing innovation and fostering the attractiveness of the crypto asset sector. Again, family, you guys have to understand the crypto asset is a new asset class of wealth. As you guys see here, Ripple now is being used in Colombia. It's utilizing XRPL blockchain for land registry. So if you wanted to buy land in Colombia, you can use XRP to purchase land. I'm telling you guys right now, there's a lot of things that's going on behind the scenes, and most people don't know what's going on. They're just like, well, hey, I mean, it's still too risky. The prices are going down, but why are these countries are now utilizing digital assets? Think about it. And I know a lot of you guys heard of how Warren Buffett does not like digital assets. But how come Warren Buffett backed Nubank now offers crypto trading to 54 million customers? Like what I've been telling you guys. See, the big whales does not want you to invest. Their company is going to tell you what they're invested in, but the whale is not going to tell you. You see what I'm saying? So it's you have to use your brain. You have to use your brain because they're definitely not gonna let you know. So now Warren Buffett backed Nubank, one of the world's largest digital banking platforms, is now offering cryptocurrency trading to all of its 54 million customers. Nubank also holds Bitcoin on its balance sheet. The option to buy cryptocurrency through Nubank is now available to all our customers. Update your app. Come on, family. Come on, fam. For this launch, Nubank has a partnership with Paxos, an exchange specializing in cryptocurrency. Family. Come on, man. And now, look, check this out. Now on Dogelon Mars. Now, have you guys seen that Elon Musk, he's not really tweeting that much. He's not really throwing out any clues. Okay. You guys seen Dogelon Mars. He may tweet something, and most of you guys may not understand it. It's the reason why. It's a real big reason why. I'm telling you guys right now, in the next year, you are going to see a lot more tweets from Elon Musk doing the same tweets what Dogelon Mars does. Now, you see, we're still sitting at the 3,000s in Dogelon Mars. Okay. Now, just because we're sitting steady, most people are like, damn, what's going on? We're kind of frustrated. Don't be frustrated because we're going to go down a lot more lower. Bitcoin is already at $19,000. Do not be fooled. We are going down to 10,000. Robert Kiyosaki, he been dead on about a lot of things. He's saying Bitcoin to 1100. Okay. Now, again, even though Bitcoin will go down to $1,100, I say 10,000. Of course, more major institutional investors are going to buy in. There's still going to be more people in this world. They're going to be like, well, why would I buy into Bitcoin at $1,100? It's going to bottom down to $50. I wouldn't want to invest into it. Warren Buffett said if Bitcoin touches $25, I would not touch it. So think about it. You're saying that Warren Buffett would not go ahead and buy Bitcoin at 1100? He's buying right now. He is buying right now. Please don't get fooled. They're definitely buying right now. And I want you guys to understand this too. If you guys know that all right, look at this. With this whole scheme that happened, did you guys know that you guys can buy in auctions? Check this out on Watcher Guru. On this day 8 years ago, venture capitalist Tim Draper paid $18.7 million at the Silk Road auction held by U.S. Marshals for 30,000 Bitcoin that are now worth over $576 million. Family. Come on, family. So what I'm going to start doing is this. I'm going to try to find out some auctions as well where they may have Bitcoin for probably I'm gonna just give you an example, $1,000 a coin. Think about it. This is what the auction when they take stuff from drugs or anything else, they trying to auction it down a lot more lower than what it is. So that's something that you guys could think about. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys know it, but I guess they were talking about the whole Luna Sea burn. So let's go ahead and play this clip right quick.
Market as well. One quick question before we go to a quick sponsor break. There is roughly like 500 people asking me about this Luna Classic burn in the YouTube chat. What's going on with the Luna Classic burn? Why are people asking about this? Do you know anything about this?
In fact, actually, I did ask my team because I also.
Now, there will not be no Luna Sea burn on Binance US. I don't know what was wrong with the clip. The clip just shut off. But there will not be no burn on Binance for Luna Sea. Just know that Luna Sea is going to retrace a lot more lower and we will reach again back to our all-time high of $120. Now, I seen some of you guys in the comment section. I do read the comment section. I see that you guys want me to do a video on how to trade on Bitmart. I will do that soon. If there's any more feedback or anything else that you guys want to see on these videos, just hit me up in the DM and the Instagram, CryptoBrown321. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this